Hey guys, let's make a protein powder which is free of preservatives and you can make it at your home and easily store it for a month. Here I have used Sattu powder which I have taken from True Elements. Then I am roasting some oats and that are from Quacker. You have to grind them. Sattu powder you directly get it, so there's nothing to worry to roast and grind. But oats, yes, you have to roast and then grind it so that it stays good for a month. Then I have 100 grams of pumpkin seeds and 100 grams of sunflower seeds. These two I have from the brand Nature Vibe, and again roasting it, then I'll grind them. Trust me, this gives you a good amount of energy and good amount of protein, and it's one of the best after workout drink. And yes, you know what you are putting inside your body because you are making it. And one scoop every day with 250 ml of water stays well with your diet. And this is chia seeds. I forgot to take a shot of it. Again, chia seeds is from Nature Vibe. And here it is 50 grams of almonds, 50 grams of cashews. I've roasted them, then again grind them, and again mix it. Now this is going to be a little difficult to remove it out of the jar because walnuts and cashew will remove their oil while you're grinding them, right? So just get it out with real quickly. And then this is 100 grams of almonds. Again roast them, grind them. And yeah, these almonds, walnuts and cashews I've got from normal kirana ka shop. Yeah. And here we have our almond flour. Now this is 100 grams of peanuts. I always keep roasted peanut powder to put in a lot of dishes, hence I have it ready. If you don't have, you just have to go with the same drill. Grind them, roast them, grind them. And yeah, then I realized that my dabba was very small, so I had to shift it into a bigger dabba. And see, here it is. Looks good, taste is